A very good morning, class third. Yes. So take out your maths book and for your copy. So now open the page number 74. Page number 74. Yes. And copy. Mention the date first. So today's date is 1st of September 2020. So this is assessment 4 and question bag 1. So tick write the correct answer. 900 minus 201. It means we want to subtract 201 from 900. So 201 and 900 minus. So subtracting ones. Step 1 is arranging the digits in column wise. Now step 2 is subtracting ones. Subtracting ones means we want to subtract 1 minus 0. 1 from 0, but it is not possible. So from the tens column we borrow 110, but in tens position 0 are here. So from the 100 we borrow 100 and 800 are left, and here is tens, but in ones position we want to subtract 1 from 0. Now we borrowing tens, 110. So 9 10 are left, and here 110 plus 0 ones becomes tens. So 10 minus 1 is 9, and subtracting tens, 9 minus 0 is 9, and 8 minus 2 is 6. So 699 is the correct answer. So 699 is option number 1, A. So 699 is the correct answer. The number with more digit is always greater, sometimes greater, always smaller, can't say. It means if a number, suppose 2 with more digit, more than 2, means 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. It means the number with more digit is always greater. So option number 1 is right. 14 less than 41 is. So 41 minus 14. It means step 1 is arranging the given digit in column wise. Now subtracting ones. We want to subtract 4 from 1. But 1 is smaller than 4. So from the tens, 1 tens borrowing and 3 tens are left. And 1 10 plus 1 ones becomes 11 ones. So 11 minus 4 is 7, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 7 27, option number 3 is right. Now fourth, 9000 minus 3782. So now we check 9000 minus 3782, subtracting ones. In ones position we want to subtract 2 from 0, but it is not possible. And now we borrowing from tens, but here is 0. So 0 is also a smaller number, and in 100 position here is 0. So it is also a smaller number. So from the 1000 we borrow 1000, leaving behind 8, and in 100 position tens. Now we borrowing 100, 100 are borrowing, so 900 are left, and in tens position 100 plus 0, tens become 10 ones. Now we borrowing 1 tens from tens, so 9 tens are left, and in ones position 1 10 plus 0 ones become 10 ones. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and subtracting ones, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 9 minus 7 is 2, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5218 is option number B is true. Yes. Now question number 5. Which number will come next in pattern shown below? 63, 67, 57, 51. मतलब डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. So 63 minus 61 is minus 2, and 61 minus 57 is minus 4, and 57 minus 51 is minus 6. So 2, 4, 6. So next minus 8. 51 minus 8 is subtracting ones. We want to subtract 8 from 1. So it is not possible. But 1 is greater than small. But 1 is smaller than 8. So from the tens we borrow 1 10, leaving behind 4, and 1 10 plus 1 ones becomes 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3 and 4. So 4, 3 is the correct option. So option number B is true. Next question. Question number 6. Look at the number sentence below. 87 plus dash 141. So 141 minus 87. So subtracting ones, we want to subtract 7 from 1. It is not possible. So from the tens, we borrowing 1 10. 3 tens are left. And 1 10 plus 1 ones becomes 11. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And 3. We want to subtract 8 from 3. It is not possible. So from the 100, we borrowing 100. Leaving behind 0, and 100 plus 3 tens become 13, right? So 13 minus 8 is 5. So 54. Option number A is true. And question number 7. 15 minus, what is 15 minus 14 plus 13 minus 12 plus 11 minus 10 plus 9 minus 8? 15 minus 14 is 1. 13 minus 12 is 1, 11 minus 10 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So option number C is true. Question number 8. A stationery store sold 120 notebooks on Monday and 94 notebooks on Tuesday. How many fewer notebooks did he sell on Tuesday than he sold on Monday? So we subtract 120 minus 94. So we want to subtract 4 from 0, but it is not possible. So from the tens, we borrowing 110 and leaving behind 1, and 110 plus 0 ones becomes 10 ones. So 10 ones minus 4 ones becomes 6, and here is 11 minus 9 is 2. So 2, 6, 26 is the correct answer. So option number B is true. Question number 9. 800 minus dash tens becomes 630. So 800 minus 630. So we want to subtracting ones. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now subtracting tens. We want to subtract 3 from 0, but it is not possible. So from the 100, we borrowing 100, leaving behind 7, and in tens position 100 plus 0, tens become 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Now subtracting 100, 7 minus 6 is 1. So 170 is the correct answer. So option number B is true. 10th is, which digit should come in place of dash so that following subtraction is correct? So 2, we want to subtract 7 from 2. So from the, we borrowing 110, but here is 0. So from the 100, we borrowing 100, leaving behind 8, and in tens position 100 plus 0 tens become 10 ones, and now we borrowing from 110 from tens. So 9 10 are left, and here is 110 plus 2 ones becomes 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5, right? Yes, 12 minus 5 is 7, and 9 minus 6 is 3 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So option number B is true, 6. Okay, thank you so much class and have a nice day.